Hi there, my curious AI friend. I have two Claude tips that will save you hours delivered in 30 seconds. You know what most people do wrong with Claude? They treat it like Google. They ask one weak question, get one average answer, and think, yeah, AI's not that impressive. Here are two hot tips. Tip 1. Give Claude context before you ask for output. Don't say, write me a LinkedIn post. Say, here's who I am. Here's who I help. Here's the tone I want. Here's the outcome I want. Now write the post. Claude gets dramatically better when it understands the job, not just the task. Tip 2. Ask Claude to challenge you. Say, before you answer, tell me what I'm missing, what assumptions are weak, and what a smarter operator would ask first. That's where the gold is. Claude is not just a writing tool. Used properly, it's a thinking partner. And that's where most people are leaving the value on the table. My name is Ryan Cunningham, the AI architect for Ready, Plan, Grow. Follow us for more helpful content. Link in bio.